Hello everyone, I am Shrutika Katkar and today's video topic is exception handling. Java exception handling. When executing Java code, different errors can occur. Coding errors made by the programmer. Error due to wrong input or other unprofessional thing. When an error occurs, Java will normally stop and generate an error message. The technical term for this is Java will throw an exception through an error. Java try and catch. The try statement allow you to find a block of code to be tested for errors while it is being executed. The catch statement allow you to define a block of a code to be executed if an error occurs in the try block. Syntax: try block curly bracket block of code to try, catch exception curly bracket block of code to handle error. Then what is an exception? An exception is an unwanted or unexpected event which occurs during the execution of a program that is at runtime that disrupts the normal flow of the program instructions. Error versus exception. Error. An error indicates serious problem that a reasonable application should not try to catch. Exception. Exception indicate condition that a reasonable application might try to catch. Application hierarchy. All exception and errors type and are subclasses of a class. Throwable, which is a base class of hierarchy. One branch is headed by exception. This class is used for exceptional conditions that user program should catch. Null pointer exception is an example of such an exception. Another branch error are used by the Java runtime system JVM to indicate errors having to do with the runtime environment itself. JRE stack overflow error is an example of such an error. How JVM handle an exception. Default exception handling. Whenever inside a method, if an exception has occurred, the method create an object known as exception object and handle it off to the runtime system JVM. The exception object contain name and a description of the exception and current state of the program. Where exception has occurred, creating the exception object and handling it to the runtime system is called throwing an exception. There might be the list of the method that had been called to get to the method where exception was occurred. This ordered list of the method is called stack. Now the following procedure will happen. The runtime system search the call stack to find the method that contain block of code that can handle the occurred exception. The block of the code is called the exception handler. The runtime system starts searching from the method in which exception occurred, processed through call stack in the reverse order in which method were called. If it finds appropriate handle, then it passes the occurred exception to it. Appropriate handler means that type of the exception object throw matches the type of the exception object it can handle. The runtime system searched all the method on can stack and couldn't have found the appropriate handler. Then runtime system hand over the exception object to define exception handler, which is part of runtime system. This handler print the exception information in the following format and terminates program abnormally. Customized exception handling. Java exception handling is managed by 5 keywords: try, catch, throw, throws, and finally Briefly, here is how to work. Thank you.